Governor Noem's Fairness in Women's Sports bill cleared the state Senate yesterday by a vote of 26-7.
And while it may appear on the surface that the bill has smooth sailing as it heads to the more conservative House, that may not be the case. Our Austin Goss joins us live to tell us more about the future of Senate Bill 46. Austin, good evening.
Good evening, I'm Brian and Andrea. SB 46, the transgender sports bill, sailed through the Senate yesterday with relatively little opposition. But now that it's heading into the more conservative House, it could be facing opposition from the right. SB 46 is heading to the House, but the path isn't exactly clear. Some House lawmakers feel it doesn't go far enough.
Both of these bills are exactly the same in spirit. They both have the same intent of being fair in women's sports.
Representative Rhonda Milstead of Sioux Falls is the opposing House bill's prime sponsor. She says that while she feels both bills have the same goal, her bill has more teeth than the governor's. It would allow affected athletes to sue school districts. She's hoping to patch that difference over on whatever bill passes.
Because when you put something in statute, that's the law. An executive order is not the law. And the executive orders were weak. They said things like should, not shall. And this bill, either bill, if you include the damages, are going to protect girls in sports.
In response to the divide over cause of action, Noem's spokesperson Ian Feary said the Senate bill is better because, quote, if a girl loses the opportunity to compete because a boy has taken her spot, she has the right to sue the school district to allow her to play under SB 46. Importantly, SB 46 does not allow her to sue for millions of dollars in damage. We want to empower girls to sue for the rights to play, not to pay, end quote. As for Democrats, they are hoping that the conflict between the two factions means that no bill finds its way across the finish line.
There is consternation amongst my colleagues across the aisle about that very issue, as one came from the governor and one came from a group of legislators, and they don't see eye to eye on that. And at this point, I'm stepping back from that and watching that play out. That's not my business of what they're having their internal problems with. I know I oppose both.
Now, Milstead's bill has yet to receive an initial hearing in a House committee. Noem's Senate bill, which cleared the Senate, of course, yesterday, also has yet to receive a first hearing date in the House or in a House committee.